Where are you having the pain in the skin?
So my left side, just I like to say probably below my scapula, just around here. This one deceived me. It was shocking though. I think you think after all the videos I've watched now,
You should be ready.
you should be ready. No, I shouldn't be reacting this way. I've prepared for this for like 2 years. Oh! I thought we were doing the white strap.
You know what I love that you? Because outside of here, you try to run this thing. There's something I went to school for over 3 years. You try to watch 1 or 2 videos and you think you can do the same thing.
God, no, forgive me.
So what's going on? Where's your pain? Where are you having the pain in the skin?
So my left side, just I like to say probably below my scapula, just around here.
Okay.
And it's been there for a long time.
You say it affects your breathing as well?
Yes. And then also my left arm.
That's it.
Okay.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
So the treatment has started.
This is fine.
Let's do one.
Okay, they did his own before you came.
No. They have done the X-ray.
You show that different.
Oh my God. This one deceived me. This one deceived me. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh.
I act as if I slapped you or something.
No. Oh my God.
You won't hold my hand, hold my leg.
Oh my God. Oh. Okay.
Man, you don't confuse.
Oh, it was shocking though. I think you think after all the videos I've watched now,
You should be ready.
you should be ready.
Even watching your cousins on live. But that one even deceived you, sir.
That one deceived me.
Come to this one. Guys, don't let my leg go.
No, I shouldn't be reacting this way. I've prepared for this for like 2 years. 2 years. Oh my God.
Why you look me?
That was intense.
Is that your
I
bag?
was
Is
sweating.
that your bag broke?
Yeah.
Is it broken?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay, now. So I'm not done.
This is what you're about to do. My cousin can testify. I've tried to do it for you so many
Which
times.
one? The one I just did now?
No, I won't play with you.
How you know what person I want to?
The one that you're going to do like
I
this.
should just come for your ear.
Oh my God,
You've been trying to do this one.
I've tried this so many times. Just like the fact that I watched a video on your IG page. That you put like a grey page and there was this loading thing and you said so you were there trying
Oh, this is not
and I fell for that and I was there for like 5 minutes. Also I said, okay, let me go to the comment section. Then I saw that, oh, and you were now being sarcastic. So I was like, is this, the video was like that it was so funny.
Wait.
It took me a while.
So you were there just waiting. God has answered my prayer. You I run this thing myself.
You know, he put in the caption that this is how to do a chiropractic adjustment by yourself.
By yourself, eh?
So the video was not a video.
It wasn't a video.
It was just a loading page.
Loading.
As far you know, Sabi do one by yourself. I was still waiting for the page to load because I was like, let me see how they do this thing. Share this one because.
But you didn't leave a comment saying that I got.
I don't see your
Guys, come up from the page.
No, this one after.
Oh God.
After observing, you think you know what to do, but as you are moving my leg, as you allow my back align with your
all
body,
those things you won't know.
you won't know. You know that all
Even
those.
the amount of input to use.
Yeah.
It's not just pressing the back. The amount of input to use to know which. Remember, I talked about segments.
Yeah.
7 here, 12 here, 5 here.
Yeah.
How do you know? Even if I use the same hand movement, how do you know which segment to be on?
That's like, honestly.
So for when you try to have someone do it, which is not safe, but still, if you try it, they might be here. But when I do my own, I might be here or here.
True.
So you are wondering, why is the impact not the same?
I'm sorry for all the things I've done to you. I'll tell you breathe in. Like
you're the one doing it to me.
No, I pray for people hoping that one day I'll get my own dose. I'm like, breathe in, breathe out. I'll now do.
See how you do your hand. So that's it. I do that. Breathe in, breathe out. Then what?
Then I do like this. But then, we got a crack once, but that was all.
Are you a crack at it?
Yes, I'm a crack at it.
Try.
We got a crack once, but that was all. Then the other one, I tell him to do like this. Then I hug him from the back. Then I squeeze. Then I lift him up so like it extends.
Tell me more. Tell me more. You can never stop learning. Teach me.
You know, we're looking for that T1, T2 extension.
Where's the T1, T2, T2?
He shined it right.
Forget that one.
There you go, you don't know.
Tell me, where is T1, T2?
I'm sorry. Okay, then
I won't lie. Don't be sorry, man. If I tell me this thing in the beginning, I will finish it.
Oh my God.
No, but it's just like wrestling. Back then, when wrestling first came out, they never put anyone in don't do it at home. But once they put don't try this at home, that's when everyone started doing the wrestling moves. So some people will say, oh, I should put don't try this at home. So if I put don't try this at home, you think now someone will see it and won't try it. That will even make them want to tell the child, don't eat this candy. They'll say something is in that candy. Just like the video you tried to watch and it was just going, we said this, we can do this ourselves. This video will float. I don't chop your data, please. I know this video we're making now, you go home and study this video. He said, look, in this video, on my own body, right here, press there. It will shock you. Next time you come, I won't do here, I will do here. Use your nose to breathe. Nose. Come up. Sit like this. Watch me. Be on your knees. I'm not done. I'm doing it for where? Sit down. You'll be okay.
Oh my God. Okay.
Relax.
You got it. You got it. I've been trying to crack.
See how they look you. See how they look you. I never move. T1, T2, T2. You think I just did say T1, T2, C1, C2.
I don't like. Let me not say that. That would be funny. I wanted to say it, but I know somebody said it and it didn't end well. I wanted to say I can taste But honestly, like I tasted something. Like there's this I don't know how to explain it, but I can taste something like at the base of my tongue. Like
You tasted what?
I hope that's fine.
If I say it's not fine, what do you go do?
Please don't say it's not fine.
Relax.
Oh! I thought we were doing the white strap. I thought we were doing the white strap.
So all you know is T1, T2, and white strap. This one is C3.
Oh,
That's why you were so relaxed. I said,
I thought we were doing the white strap.
touch me your neck.
I was still waiting for like the rope and everything.
I'm never finished. Give me your hand. You want to learn work?
It's like I'll do apprenticeship here.
You have to go and get your doctor of chiropractic. Calm down, everything. Wait. It's to chop food now. You know, go talk wait. Down. This is the one you've been waiting for. Now me they do the work. It's me that's supposed to be doing all this breathing you're doing.
It looks different from me.
I'm doing the work. I'm sweating. You're.
I'm sweating too, doctor.
Your head up.
I wonder I was lifting up my head that time. If you noticed.
What'd you say?
Wait.
You want high five? I thought you wanted to. Deep breath in.
Doctor, wait, please.
Let me know when you're ready.
Why is this thing called white strap?
I'll tell you after.
Okay.
If you want the answer, you have to wait till after. Because it's in a white shape and it's strapped around. You ready? Deep breath in. Out. Move your hand down more.
That's my own painful.
Why you dey hold my hand? Where do you feel it? You can't even talk right now. Okay, let me wait for my interview. Use your nose to breathe.
I'm laughing at Peter.
You know why I'm laughing at you? Because outside of here, you tried to run this thing. There's something I went to school for over 3 years. You try to watch 1 or 2 videos and you think you can do the same thing.
God, no, forgive me.
You think you can do the same thing.
From today, from what you told us in the doctor's room during the conversation, I won't experiment on anybody again. Yes.
Yes, sure.
Sure.
No, you know, it's not just you. You didn't just walk in. You say you have pain. I say lie down. Come on, rest.